This
You have to
guy
have, like...
maybe knows what he's doing. Now just watch the video.
My phone just said that I have no space, and you're taking a freaking...
For YouTube, I never took one. Is that a bad thing or a good thing? Dun dun dun. Okay, now let's put this back to normal. So here's the star of the movie, and here's my mom and me.
Who's the star of the movie? Tristan?
You.
Oh, really?
And mommy. And Tristan. And me. So, in that dental tooth, I'll zoom it in so you can see it. I have to zoom it in all the way, but that's too much. So, say your name.
Al.
No, say it.
Liz.
Say your real name.
Johnny.
Walker.
No,
Christopher.
Yes.
Running.
Christopher Running. Now pick your name.
Jessica.
Jessica. Now pick Tristan's name, whoever wants to.
Cat.
Mr. Man.
George.
Yes.
W. Bush.
What
Sounds funny because he's furry and Bush. I don't know.
What about Time Warner Cable?
That's your name?
No. My name's my regular name.
Turn it on.
My name is...
Some shady.
No, stop interrupting me.
Alright.
My name is Mr. Toothless.
Kangaroo. Mr. Tooth Loser.
Foster.
What do they call you for short?
Dun, dun, dun.
What do they call you for short? Since your
Look
name's so
how
long?
close my face is. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. So that was the end of the video, guys. See you later.